The orthomosaic has finished processing. It's rendered a little strangely here due to DroneMapper software interpreting the fourth band as the alpha band. So we are going to navigate now to the DroneMapper 3D folder where we previously located the DEM and load the orthomosaic in Global Mapper. Now this is taking a bit longer than it should due to the size of this orthomosaic, which is 5 gigabytes. As you can see, the ortho is rendered in red, green, blue band order. And we can quickly change channel 1 to band 4 to view the near or IR channels. So with those 22 images from an ultracam, the software automatically detects that they're multi-spectral TIFFs, either 8-bit or 16-bit, and builds a compatible multi-band orthomosaic after the digital elevation model.